In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Calendar tasks. Whether you're organizing a team project, planning a family event, or simply wanting to make sure everyone is on the same page, sharing your Google Calendar tasks can be incredibly helpful. So let's dive right in and learn how to make our schedules a bit more collaborative. First things first, you'll need to head over to Google Calendar. If you're not already signed in, the system will prompt you to enter your email and password. Once you've entered your credentials, just click on Next to proceed. This is your gateway to Google Calendar where all the magic happens. Now that we're in, let's navigate to a specific week to share tasks from. For our example, we'll jump ahead to the week of October 19th, 2025. You might be planning way in advance, but no worries, the process is the same no matter what dates you're working with. Once you've got your calendar open to the week you're focused on, look for the Settings option. This is typically symbolized by a gear icon and is your control panel for all things calendar related. Clicking on it will take you to a new set of options specifically tailored to managing your calendar's settings. In the settings menu, find and click on your calendar. This step gets you closer to sharing those tasks. Your calendar might have a specific name, especially if you're managing multiple calendars for different purposes. Just make sure you select the right one that you intend to share tasks from. Now for the key step. Sharing with specific people or groups. Here, you're going to look for an option that says exactly that. Share with specific people or groups. It's a straightforward option that puts you in control of who gets to see and possibly edit your calendar tasks. After clicking on Share with specific people or groups, you'll see an option to add people and groups. This is where you decide who gets an invite to your calendar. Click on this option and you'll be prompted to add email addresses of those you want to share your calendar with. Type in the email addresses of the individuals or groups you're sharing your calendar with. This step is quintessential because it directly affects who gets access to your schedule. Be mindful of typos to ensure your invites go to the right people. Lastly, after adding all the necessary email addresses, you'll see a Send option. Click on it to send out invitations to view or edit depending on the permissions you've set your Google Calendar, and just like that you've successfully shared your Google Calendar tasks. A few tips before we wrap up. Be sure to double check email addresses and permissions before sending out invites. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Moreover, remember that people can only see the calendar tasks you've specifically shared with them, so your privacy is protected for all other items. And there you have it. A simple and effective way to share your Google Calendar tasks with anyone you need to. Sharing tasks can streamline coordination, ensure everyone is informed about upcoming activities, and ultimately make planning together a whole lot easier. Thanks for watching, and here's to better organised and more collaborative days ahead.